Hello, some people. Welcome back to Zani Made It. Today is Inspirational Friday, and I'm going to talk to you about what to look out for when buying health or medical insurance. This channel is all about planning, budgeting, and saving for the future. So if you're new here, karibu sana. Like, subscribe, comment, and if you are returning again, thank you so much for the support. Remember to also like, comment, and share my videos. Let us grow together. Thank you so much. I'll start by defining what a medical cover means. A medical cover is a type of insurance that covers you against your medical expenses. And this can be either on inpatient or outpatient. Inpatient is when you now have to be admitted in a hospital, and outpatient is when you go to the health centers, you're seen by a doctor and you're given medicine, then you have to go back home. Apart from paying for your medical expenses, it also protects you from unexpected high medical costs. You also get to have comprehensive coverage. You get to have a peace of mind. If there's no claims for a period of time, you get to enjoy cumulative discount. Medical covers are usually classified into two. There is the retail cover and there is the corporate cover. So the retail cover means a family or an individual buying cover for themselves. And a corporate cover means the company you work for or your company decides to get coverage for their members. Today, I'll only concentrate with the retail coverage. Please note that retail covers have a waiting periods. They are non-negotiable, and members above 45 years of age are usually subject to medical underwriting. Now I'll take you through the points to note while buying a medical insurance cover. The first and most important point to note is that you must have an NHIF cover. In Kenya, it's mandatory to have one, and your insurer will only pay net of what NHIF should be paying. NHIF, being a government institution, is mandatory for everyone to purchase. Insurers will only pay net of what NHIF should pay. And if you have an NHIF card and you go to a private hospital, it will only pay for your bed charges. The second point to note is the age factor. With insurance, the younger you are, you pay lower premiums. And the older you are, you will pay higher premiums. Immunity plays a very huge role in the age factor. The third point to look out for is your state of current health. Are there any pre-existing conditions? Do you have any chronic conditions? How often do you frequent the hospital? Is it on inpatient or outpatient? Do you have children who you want to be covered? Where is the consumption at? Is it inpatient or outpatient? These are the type of questions that will inform you on the type of cover that will suit you at the end of the day. Okay. The fourth point to note is your budget. How much are you willing to spend, or how much can you afford a medical cover for up to 1 year for your family or yourself? And also keeping in mind that you don't undercover yourself. Some of the factors that will influence your budget is to look at the overall limits on both inpatient and outpatients and the benefits that they come in with. Also look at the payment plans. Do you want to pay annually or you want to do it in a monthly, which you may have an agreement with your insurer. You can also opt to do a shared option or an unshared option. The fifth point is to get a quotation. You can get a quotation from an agent, you can get a quotation from a brokerage firm, and you can still get a quotation from referrals, especially from family and friends who already have medical covers. Still on quotations, make sure you have at least 3 options from 3 different insurers, so that you can make comparisons. This will enlighten you more on the benefits as you compare them, and this, I'm sure, will give you a very good bargain at the end of the day. Get in touch with me on the email provided if interested. The 7th point to note is to get the claim process of your insurer. Get to know what is required of you during a claim process and also what is required of your insurer at the point of paying a claim. The 8th point to note is to get to know about the exclusions against the cover that you're getting. The 9th point to note is to get to know what are the waiting periods on your cover and what are the waiting periods on the pre-existing conditions, and also what are the waiting periods on maternity benefits. This is very key when you're getting a cover. Last and not least is on the policy documents. Make sure before you sign anything, read carefully and understand. Where you don't understand, ask for clarifications. And those are the 10 points to consider while buying a medical insurance cover. I leave my contacts on the description box. Should you need any further clarification on anything, or if you're looking to buy a medical cover, contact me and you will get the best service. Stay blessed and thank you for watching.